What's up, YouTube? I'm finally back again today. Another video for y'all. Today's video I'm doing in my living room and stuff. But today what I want to talk about is reasons why I want to get a Tesla. Cause I love technology. I like how it look. You know, I like this, like the inside and stuff. They got touchscreen and stuff. Even though I know most gas cars got that. But I also want to try something new. But another reason why the reason why I want a Tesla or electric car or whatever, because you can get like a tax credit or whatever, so you get money back for going like electric or whatever, which is also a good thing. And Tesla raw, I might mess around and get me like a Cybertruck or whatever, but I gotta go. I'm thinking about trading my car in like 2 or 3 months from now, so starting that up. I think it's gonna be a good move for me and stuff. You know, it's gonna be a new move, I should say, because I normally got gas cars, but now I'm gonna go electric. It's a lot of electric cars out here, but guess what? I'm choosing Tesla. Um, I can't wait. It's gonna be a good experience. I'm gonna start vlogging more things that I do. You're gonna see more videos up because I am a content creator, so I gotta act like one. Even though I work so much, I do be tired a lot because I work third shift. So I'm trying to get better at that. But stay tuned for more content. It's coming soon. John Facts out.